So Andreas and I are both members of ASTM International. We participate as members in subcommittees, the F24 subcommittee, and we attend the conferences twice a year where we meet with members of the committee and work in different task groups. So I'm a member of the modification task group.
And I'm a member of the risk assessment task group. The primary purpose of the conference is to develop standards language to make propose changes to the existing standards and to propose new standards that then go to ballot by the whole committee for approval. Those don't always pass, and so we spend a lot of time trying to figure out how to improve the language so that it is acceptable to everyone in the committee.
So the standard is a consensus-based standard. So anyone who has a negative or a comment has to be dealt with, which is what a lot of the time spent at ASTM is working with the different members to figure out how to resolve their concerns and make sure the standard is as safe as possible. When we started, a lot of our emphasis was based on this major definition. We've kind of moved away because there was more pushback in the industry about how to deal with major, and we've attempted to change it in the past. So we've been focusing more on what we feel like is a gap in the owners and operators standard for modification program so that they can deal with modifications as they come up and have a process-based approach to dealing with modifications themselves.
And this is where we as Hedgehog can be very helpful to others in the industry because we can help owners and operators with their amusement rights. We can help them perform a risk assessment to determine whether a change that they're looking to make is safety related and what is the level of care that needs to be applied to making those changes so that they have, safe outcomes going into the future.